We look up, at the billions of stars twinkling in the vast expanse of the universe. We look out, at the vastness of space, stretching infinitely beyond our comprehension. We look in, deep inside ourselves, exploring the intricate details of our own biology. Some questions are hard to answer. Why are we here? What is the meaning of life? And for some, why am I losing my hair? These questions can keep us up at night pondering the mysteries of existence. Baldness affects millions. It's a natural phenomenon. Yet, it remains a source of curiosity and concern. People from all walks of life experience it, and it can impact self-esteem and confidence. Hair loss can be caused by various factors. Age, stress, and medical conditions all play a role. Each strand of hair tells a story of our health and lifestyle. But the most significant factor is often overlooked: our genes. These inherited codes dictate much of our physical appearance. These tiny blueprints of life hold the secrets to our traits, including our predisposition to baldness. Understanding our genetic makeup can provide insights into why some of us lose our hair while others don't. Imagine a vast library, filled with countless books, each one unique and essential. Each book contains the instructions to build and maintain a living organism. This is our DNA, the blueprint of life. A complex molecule found in almost every cell of our body, carrying the genetic information that defines us. DNA is like a ladder, a structure that supports the very essence of life. Twisted into a double helix shape, it is both elegant and intricate. The rungs of this ladder are made up of 4 chemical bases which are fundamental to its structure: adenine, A, guanine, G, cytosine, C, and thymine, T. These bases are the building blocks of our genetic code. These bases pair up in specific ways, ensuring the stability and integrity of the DNA molecule, A with T and C with G. This precise pairing is crucial for accurate genetic replication. The sequence of these base pairs forms the genetic code, a unique sequence for every individual. Like letters forming words and sentences, these sequences create the instructions for life. Within this vast genetic library are sections called genes, each with a specific role. Genes are like individual chapters, each one contributing to the whole story of an organism. They contain the instructions for specific traits, determining everything from physical characteristics to biological functions, like hair color, eye color, and even our susceptibility to certain diseases. These traits are all encoded within our DNA, making each of us unique. Genes influence the production of proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of our body, including our hair. Some genes regulate the hair growth cycle, determining how long hair grows, rests, and sheds. Variations in these genes can lead to different hair growth patterns. Some people are genetically predisposed to have hair follicles that are more sensitive to a hormone called dihydrotestosterone, DHT. DHT causes hair follicles to shrink, leading to shorter, thinner hair, and eventually, hair loss. Section 4X marks the spot, the chromosome connection. Our genes are organized into structures called chromosomes. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, 1 set from our mother and 1 set from our father. The 23rd pair determines our sex. Females have 2 X chromosomes, XX. Males have 1 X and 1 Y chromosome, XY. The gene primarily responsible for male pattern baldness is located on the X chromosome. This is why men are more likely to experience baldness. They inherit only 1 X chromosome. If that chromosome carries the baldness gene, they are more likely to express the trait. Section 5, Mom or Dad. Tracing the inheritance of baldness. The inheritance of baldness is complex. It's not as simple as inheriting a single gene. Multiple genes interact. Environmental factors also play a role. While the primary baldness gene is located on the X chromosome, inherited from the mother, baldness can be inherited from either parent. Studies have shown that having a father with male pattern baldness increases the risk of baldness in sons. This suggests that other genes, likely located on other chromosomes, also contribute to hair loss. Section 6. Understanding the odds, statistics, and baldness. In this section, we delve into the numbers and facts that reveal the true extent of hair loss and its underlying causes. Statistics paint a clear picture, providing us with a comprehensive understanding of how widespread baldness is. Genetics plays a significant role in baldness, influencing whether or not an individual is likely to experience hair loss. By age 35, 2/3 of American men will experience some degree of hair loss, highlighting the early onset of this condition. By age 50, that number rises to 85%, showing a significant increase as men age. These statistics highlight the prevalence of hair loss and the strong influence of genetics, making it clear that this is a common issue many face. Understanding the genetic factors involved in baldness can help individuals make informed decisions about hair loss prevention and treatment options, potentially improving their quality of life. It's a reminder that our genes shape who we are, from our physical appearance to our predisposition to certain conditions, including hair loss. Baldness is just one example of the fascinating interplay between our genes and our environment, demonstrating how both factors work together to influence our lives in various ways.